Welcome back to another video. In this video, we are going to study label in SwiftUI. So let's start by creating a new file and name it as label playground. So the most common user interface component is a combination of icon and text. And for this reason, SwiftUI has a standard view for showing text and icons side by side, and we call it a label. This label is mostly used with list and menus. So let's just see how we can use label. So I'm going to have a list, and then we can write label, and you can see we have all these different initializer. We can use title and a system image. We can use title and an image from the asset folder, or we can define our own view for the icon and title. So let's start with this system image. This is actually the icon name from the SF symbol app. So just like that, we have our label on our screen, and yeah, so it's, as we said, it's a combination of a title and an icon. And yeah, let's just have another, we can create another label in here, maybe lamp. And for the system image, let's use lamp.flow.fill, and we have another label. So if you have to do this without this label, then you can of course do this. There is no restriction. We can maybe use an hashtag in here, and then we can use an image with system name, and let's just maybe use sofa dot fill, and then we can use text and call it a sofa. So you can see we can actually do this by ourselves as well. Using this hashtag we can create, but we have this convenience from the SwiftUI, so you don't have to worry about managing your own set, all these stacks and the spacing between the color or stuff like that. If you want, you can change the foreground color for your labels. Like if you do not want to use this color, maybe you can use something like a green color, something like this. And yeah, and if you want, you can actually use a view for the title and for the image. So let's just like this. So maybe if you want to have a title like something maybe like this, and let's just use a font, maybe a headline, something. And for the icon, let's just use maybe image system name, and yeah, let's just use maybe, because we have fan, so let's just use fan icon here. And then if you want to change the color for your image, you can just use a foreground color of, maybe if you want to use a black, that's also fine. So just like that, you can customize the appearance of your label. Like, because by default this label has a blue color for this system icon, but if you don't want to use that, you can use your own version of label where you can specify which icon you want, or how to you can control the appearance. And yeah, this is our own, you can say maybe our own view, and this is something that's provided to us. And we can also control, if you don't want to show maybe the icon, you can also do this by using this label style. And if you enter dot, you have these different options where you can only use the title if you do not want to show the icon. And if you do want to show the icon and not title, you can do this icon only. So we have a possibility for this as well. So that's it for this video. I just wanted to explain how we can use label with our list, and you may have seen this label before, but just know that it's already provided to us a dedicated view from SwiftUI, and we can use system image, or we can create our own view for this. And instead you don't have to use this image, like you can have another label maybe in here. Let's just have text, maybe custom icon or something. And for the icon, you don't actually have to use a image. You can use maybe a circle in here, and let's just fill it maybe with orange or something. So it's not a condition that you have to use an image. If you are going to use a custom label, you can use anything that conforms to a view. So I hope this is easy to understand. If you still have any question, let me know in the comment. Subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next video.